Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Creative Hands platform. Today I just want to show you how I make some roses for turban and even for fascinators, just using the material. This is the ash pad material, so I'm going to show you how to make roses with the ash pad material. So quickly, the first thing I do is that I have a pattern with me. The pattern with me is the pattern I'm going to use to cut these materials. The pattern, I'm just going to place it on it. I'm just going to place it on the material as you see now. Please, when you are doing it, use a tailoring chalk. But I'm just going to use this in order for you to understand what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go through it, the pattern with the marker, going through it just like that, and I already have that at the back, just like you can see now. So the next thing I'll do is that I'm just going to use my scissors. I'm going to work with the scissors to trim it out. I'm going to work with the scissors, the zigzag scissors, to trim it out. So carefully, I'm just going to go through each of the lines. Hope you are close enough and you are getting what I'm doing. I'm going through it carefully. You see? So I'll continue this. Until I get to the end of this material. So this is an already trimmed one. I'm done trimming. What you see, the next thing I'll do is I'm just going to go with a needle and a thread. I'm going to use a needle and thread. I'm using a separate color in order for you to see clearly what I'm doing. So when you are doing your own work, please work with the color of your material. It will make it neater. So trimming out the material carefully. Like you see, the zigzag scissors has a way of adding beauty to the trimming. Rather than using an ordinary straight scissors, I advise that you use the zigzag scissors. So right now I have this. The next thing I'll do is I'm just going to start picking through. So first of all, I'm going to knot the beginning to make sure that the beginning is tight. So I have a good beginning already. So I'm just going to move through it with my needle and thread, pass through it carefully, in out movements that will always allow me to move and adjust this material at will. So I just go in, out, and make sure that I will not tie it at any point. I will not tie it at any point, and make sure that I will not also mix my movement. Like where I stop now, I'm supposed to start from the inside, and that's what I'm doing. Just moving it in, out easily till I'll get to the end. Till I get to the end of this material. I'm just going to do that. You can have a longer one depending on how full you want your roses to look, how big you want it. So that will determine the material, the size of material you will cut. The pattern I use in trimming this now, you can work with bigger patterns. I have the shape for bigger ones, and you can also have different types of the shape also. You can have different types. So I'm almost at the end. I'm almost at the end. Yeah, I'm already at the end. Okay, so you see what I have. See what I have, stretching it through. So the next thing I'll do is required is for me to cut out a round shape, like you see now. Using any round object, you just trace the round shape and then you cut it out. So the next thing is placing it through starting from the beginning. Don't start from this end. You start from the beginning so that you can move with it. So the first thing I'll do now is place the candle on it. I'm just going to take it first the beginning, and then I'll place the material on the hot candle while I keep releasing or gathering this material together. Like I said before, it depends on how big you want it. So I'll just continue placing it. And then continue gluing while I slack this material through. And stick it down. Hope what you are doing is close enough for. Yeah. So I stick down on the circle, just getting my movement on. So you can see the movement I'm just making, just moving in a circle. It's not really a big deal. You keep moving the thread to make sure that you gather the roses together, or you gather the pattern together, which will give you the pattern, the roses that you are looking for. So that's the more reason why you are not expected to cut this thread until you are through. You're not expected to cut it. You say, I'm just moving through, adding my hot glue to it. I'm just moving in a circle. As I move, I drag the thread to gather this pattern and make me get what I'm looking for. So you see how I'm dragging. Just move it, and then I add the glue to it. Okay. Please be close enough for them to see what I'm doing. Alright, so that's the final part. Since it's the final part, I'm just putting everything into the final circle and then turning it to get, you can see, then drag my thread through, keep dragging. As I keep dragging, it will start standing. You see it, the more I drag, the more it will stand. You see, yeah. So as it is now, I have what I want. Yeah, trim it out. So I'm just going to cut this because I feel it's too long. Following the same. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. So this is it. These roses, we can use it for turbans. We can use it for fascinators, depending on what you desire. So this is it. It's as simple as you can see. Very, very simple. Very simple and so beautiful. Very simple and beautiful as well. You can see it. You agree with me that it's beautiful? Yeah, so see you in my next video. Once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Promise to get better. And if you have questions, please just drop the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you. Bye.